Flight prices can feel unpredictable, but there are proven strategies to save big. Whether you're planning a vacation or a last-minute trip, knowing when and how to book can make a huge difference. Follow these simple steps to consistently find the best airfare deals and keep more money in your pocket. Start by booking flights at the right time. Airlines adjust prices based on demand, and the best time to book domestic flights is typically 1 to 3 months in advance. For international flights, 2 to 6 months ahead is ideal. Waiting until the last minute often leads to higher fares. Flying on the right day can also lead to major savings. Midweek flights, especially on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, are usually cheaper than weekend departures. Early morning and late night flights tend to be more affordable than peak daytime hours. Using flight comparison tools is essential. Websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Momondo scan multiple airlines to show the best deals. Setting up price alerts ensures that the moment fares drop, you're notified instantly. Flexibility with airports can help cut costs. Consider nearby airports instead of major hubs. A slight change in departure or arrival location can reduce ticket prices significantly. Clearing browser cookies before searching helps prevent dynamic pricing, where airlines increase fares based on repeated searches. Using an incognito window can prevent prices from rising unexpectedly. Booking directly with airlines can sometimes unlock better deals. Many airlines offer discounts, free changes, or extra perks that third-party sites don't include. Additionally, some airlines price match if you find a lower fare elsewhere. Frequent flyer programs and travel credit cards offer valuable rewards. Earning miles through everyday purchases can lead to free or discounted flights. Some credit cards also provide perks like free checked bags and priority boarding. Finally, budget airlines often provide the lowest fares. However, they charge for extras like seat selection, baggage, and meals. Reviewing fees before booking ensures that a deal remains a deal. Saving on flight tickets comes down to timing, flexibility, and smart booking strategies. By following these steps, you'll consistently find the best prices and travel for less. Keep these tips in mind for your next trip, and watch your savings add up.